There are two reasons you might want to consider butterflying a turkey. Now, in grilling and smoking circles, we tend to use another term called spatchcocking. I don't know who came up with that word, but I don't like saying it as a man, especially in reference to things that I'm going to be putting into my mouth. Now, there are two reasons, like I said. Number one is if you're planning on doing a pretty big turkey, but you got a pretty small grill. Weber Kettle is what I use, as you know. Depending on how big the bird is, you might run into problems where the bird doesn't clear the lid very well. Butterflying it is the way to go. Now, the other reason is maybe you tried a whole turkey and it didn't quite all get done at the same time. This actually happened to me on my first one. A whole turkey is like a big globe of meat, so the top part, when you're cooking it, tends to get done better, faster than the area down by the thigh and the wing and stuff like that. So when you butterfly a bird, it lays flat. Everything, all of the skin is exposed. Everything is exposed flat. So it's going to cook more evenly and it's going to cook quicker. I did it. I'm not going to show you the cook. I'm just going to show you the reveal. The cook is exactly the same as cooking a whole turkey, which you can find in this link right here. So let's get into this. It's a very quick video. I'm just going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you the reveal, and then you can make a decision on whether or not you'd like to do your turkey this way. Now, the first thing is to turn the turkey over so that the back bone is exposed. The easiest way to do this is with a pair of professional shears. Poultry shears is what they call them. I don't happen to have any handy, so I'm going to use this boning knife here. And I'm going to cut this off first. Cut right down the side of the backbone. So we'll see how this works. I don't have the right equipment, but we'll see how it goes. Now let's try the other side. Get a good grip at it somewhere. Maybe a little too far in. There it is. I feel like Predator right now, you know? Some of the videos said to take a nice knife, nice sharp knife. This is a pretty sharp knife, it's brand new. And just kind of score down that bone right there. Make a little incision. And turn it over. Turn the legs out like that, just as if you were doing some chest compressions. You put your weight on it and press down to crack the bone. Presentation wise, I'll take these legs and fold them in like that. And then I will cut off all of the excess skin. Clean it up a little bit. This is it, y'all. I'm having a little trouble getting used to looking at it like this. I don't know, it just looks like something you ought to see in some kind of poultry porn magazine or something, the centerfold or something, you know. It's just it looks kind of freaky. I don't know, I think if I had like a 5-year-old and he walked in here on me messing around and massaging this thing like this, I'd be like, what you doing, Dad? Get out of here, son. What are you doing out? Go to your room.